Found out where the chickens have been laying all the eggs. Luckily, we've got a little handy dandy grabber thing. Hubby used to use this on the mower when he was riding the mower to pick up whatever miscellaneous socks around the trampoline or tennis balls that the golden retriever left laying everywhere. And now I use it to pick up eggs that the chickens want to lay wherever the heck the chickens want to lay them. Little boogers. I was waiting to find their little stash. I thought I knew where all their little hiding spots were, but I was wrong. Found this one now. How many are in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 eggs. Good God almighty. Alright. That's alright. At least we got eggs, right? Oops. I didn't even bring out my egg basket, so I'm just sticking them in this little feed pan that we use for the goats. Alright, 2 more. Oh, you gotta watch these birds, especially when you let them free range. They'll lay eggs wherever the heck they want to lay eggs. Alright, there we go. Nice little stash, huh? Nice.